there at the post. And they're off. Cards Cruisin' was off a step slowly. For the lead from between horses, Dewberry Hill, bold tap on the outside, Ante down along the inside, then Slump Buster and Real Happy. Into the first turn. The leader is Dewberry Hill by a length. Now on the outside, Slump Buster gains from second. Bold tap on the outside runs third. Ante is fourth ahead. Then up from the extreme outside, that's Real Happy. Followed between horses by La Grande Vitesse. Then it's a length and a half back to Joyous Victory. Followed by Cards Cruisin'. The trailers are Laura's Time and Little Man's Cat. 25-3 for the opening quarter. Slump Buster is now in front. Has it ahead on the inside, Dewberry Hill. Then La Grande Vitesse moves up from between horses. Now La Grande Vitesse gains ground. It's La Grande Vitesse and Slump Buster. Those two right together, moving to third, Joyous Victory. Then from the inside, Ante is fourth. Dewberry Hill is dropped back in fifth. Cards Cruisin' sixth as they move into the stretch. On the outside, Joyous Victory moves by, gets the lead. La Grande Vitesse is second. Cards Cruisin' takes third. Ante is fourth. Then Slump Buster, but nearing the wire, Joyous Victory now draws away from La Grande Vitesse. Joyous Victory wins by 5 or 6. Photo for second. La Grande Vitesse may have held on over late closing Real Happy and Ante.